containers for samples.
Andu ngiri inya na magana manana ma mirongo inana na anana niyo mathimitwo murimu wa coronavirus ihinda-ini ria mathaa mirongo iri na mana. Magana matandatu ma atandatu ao magikirwo mukode gukorwo na murimu uyu umuthi.
This now brings us to a total of 18,581 persons in a cumulative total of 284,500 tests.
Gatagati kao uria munini muno ari mwana wa mieri ina, riri nake uria mukuru muno ari wa miaka 85.
583 out of those people are Kenyans, while 23 are foreigners. 409 are men or female or male. 197 are female.
Ona kuhanoro uguo namba ya aria makuite ihinda-ini ria mathaa mirongo iri na mana niyongererekete na andu 14 na gukinyiria andu 299 aria makuite nginyagia riu.
9 of them had pre-existing conditions ranging from diabetes and hypertension combined, or either diabetes or hypertension. 2 of them had cancers. 1 had cancer of the bone called multiple myeloma. 1 had cancer of the esophagus, and the other one had end-stage renal disease or kidney failure. Out of the 14, 4 did not have any coexisting medical condition.
Kaunti ya Nairobi niyo ithite na mbere gutongoria na arwaru 448, Kiambu 58, Kajiado 25, Machakos 16, Nakuru na Uasin Gishu o kaunti ikiandikithia arwaru 11. A Kenya magithii na mbere kuhinyiririo guthingata mawatho maria magathikitwo niguo gwithema kugwatwo ni murimu uyu.
If you are living in Embakasi area, you need to know that Embakasi is a hotspot, and further measures may have to be taken as regards the containment of some of the fast areas that are growing way too fast.
Maya mokite oriri ruhonge rwa NMS rurikitie gukurana thukuru iria cikuhuthika ta ceceni cia kuiga andu keheri guku Nairobi muthenya umwe tu thutha wa ritana ria mutongoria wa bururi. Thukuru wa airetu wa Moi Girls uri mwena wa Kibera, thukuru wa Upper Hill High School, Orodumwe na St George's High School, Dagoretti High School na Kenya High School cikiharirio niguo kuhuthika ta ceceni cia kuiga keheri arwaru a murimu uyu. Riri thukuru wa airetu wa Highway Girls, Orodumwe na thukuru wa Pagani Girls, thukuru wa Buruburu Girls, Orodumwe na thukuru wa Precious Blood Riruta cikiharirio niguo kuiga keheri aria makuruhanite na arwaru a murimu uyu. Ihinda-ini riu minister wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe akiuga kuri na mubango wa kuruguria ceceni ingi iria cikuhuthika niguo kunyihia muhatikano wa arwaru makiria muno thibitari-ini cia guku Nairobi.
2 weeks or so, we shall be opening another facility at Kenyatta University Referral and Training Hospital. We are opening a facility there for an extra increment of 500 beds with some 60 ICU beds.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV jitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.